What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. I've been lied to. Apparently there's 3 cameras on the iPhone but only 2 are used. One I probably will never use. It's the portrait one. The portrait one is the one that it's like blurred in the background. I think I've used it like twice and I've had this phone for like 2 years. I thought, you know, when you go on the phone and it lets you select 0.5, 1, and 2.5. I thought 2.5 was its own camera, which I think was a telephoto. I don't know, telephoto means close, like the close camera or the other one. But anyways, I thought it was its own camera, but it turns out it's not. When you switch from 1x to 2.5x, you're just zooming in. So you can literally stay at 1x and just zoom in. I thought it was, because there's 3 options, 0.5, 1, and 2.5. I thought 2.5 was its own camera. So you're pretty much losing quality, essentially. But anyways, today's video is not about cameras. I mean, it could be about cameras. But anyways, I just finished doing some exercises. And I'm on to new HTML exercises, which is pretty good. They're kind of easy though. I guess they're supposed to be getting difficult as they go. So let me show you first the HTML exercises. So as for the HTML and CSS exercises, this is the website you want to go to. You want to go to that GitHub, and within that GitHub, you'll find, what would it be, this one? Yeah, you find this one right here. You'll find this right here, and it'll give you like a little explanation of what it is and whatnot. It's free, it's GitHub. And then you just go to the body, and that's what you'll find. It's 18 of them. I just finished doing 4 because they're easy. I was gonna do like one every once in a while. Not one per day, bro. This is just terrible. Like, look at this first one. Exercise: create a new file. Type hello world. And this is within the website of so there's this website that I have, not that I have, but that I go to, and it's called Practicity, something like that. Just Google HTML and CSS exercises. It's one of the first ones that comes up. Within that website, there's like links to like 40 plus websites. And within those websites, there's exercises. And so this is probably like the 4th one. So it started off with pure HTML, and then like slowly, this is the first one that adds CSS. So it's like slowly getting more difficult. I took a peek at like the last ones, like in 40th place. And those are deep into like HTML and CSS. None of them go into JavaScript. It's just HTML, CSS. After that, obviously, I can do like, I don't know, I could do exercises for either just JavaScript or exercises for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which is different because JavaScript could be on its own, like just programming, or it could be with HTML, CSS and be like website focused. So I don't know, we'll see. I still have like months probably. It's 49 websites, bro, and each of them, I don't know how long this one will take me, probably a week, maybe more, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know. As of now, this is what I've done so far. I've done 4 of them. So the hello world, the aloha, which is a translation, and the HTML body. And if we go to my actual website right now, this is what you'll find. That's the website. Yeah, so right now I'm on 5. I haven't done it yet. I'll do it in a bit. And then in terms of JavaScript, these are the ones that I've done. I've done quite a few in the past, like, what, 3 days or so? So I just finished doing these concatenating type strings and whatnot. Pretty cool, pretty chill website. I mean, pretty chill exercises. Nothing too difficult yet. Off the dome, I remember getting stuck on, because I've done this before, like I said. I remember getting stuck on, what was it? I think it was this one. Some of these are here. It's arrays that mostly. Once you start messing with arrays, there's this, it's like this way of arranging JavaScript. It's called JSON, JSON, all caps, which it's a bunch of brackets, and like it's like a way of organization, and it's just, it gets wild, bro. I've only like touched on it, but I've never like fully, like, obviously never mastered it because I found it kind of difficult, which was what I used to do. I would like find something difficult and I'd be like, I don't know, you know, I gotta go back to the beginnings of JavaScript. But now if I find something difficult, I'm gonna stick to it. That's the plan. So far, it's been working. I would have been way ahead. I'm not gonna get into a rant, but I'm just gonna let you guys know that if I would have stuck to JavaScript, because I started like 2 years ago, I would have been so good right now. But obviously, I'm not. Here I am. Let's get to it. This one's pretty cool because a string is just text, right? You want to print out text for JavaScript. Obviously, it's quoted. So let's say I was to do Raul. Rolls. That's fine because the outer quotes are double, the inner quote is single. So that's fine. But let's say I wanted to use, for whatever reason, let's say I wanted to use a double. See, it don't work. So the only way you could have it to work is if you use a backslash. There you go. So that's basically what it teaches you right here. And whatever backslash, you can use it on a single quote, double quote. If you want to use a backslash within the quote, then you use a backslash for the backslash, new line. You know, you got simple stuff like that. This video is getting long, so I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.